service anyone who books through the Boss Lab. The way that you would end up servicing clients through the Boss Lab is by using the flyers that we have. I'm gonna step to the side for a second for you because this is very imperative to understand. If you don't have a portfolio, you can't just walk up into somebody's face and say, hey, I do hair. But if you have nothing to show them, it's a very low chance that they're gonna book you. So to be able to use the salon's marketing material to present yourself as a professional and use us as your strength when referring yourself, that is the point of the Boss Lab. So let me step aside for a second. So this here is the business card version of this. This is our price list, and it has pictures of our work on the back. So this is what you will be able to do after taking your classes. So we make sure that you do a full month, if you do the 90-day program, of practice, drills, everything you need to do so that when you actually book someone through the salon, you're able to perform that service in record time. There's no question, there's no problems. It's not gonna take longer than the site said it should. You're gonna be A1. We're not gonna let you get on somebody's head until you have executed that perfectly. And you test out with a live model. So whether it's a family, friend, or classmate, you'll be able to test out and get the stamp of approval that says, yes, you can be a DVA Slay Studio braider. So that is why you would pass these out, because they make it easy and they take the guesswork out. All you have to say is, hey, I'm at a salon, we shampoo, we provide the hair, come see us. Great prices, come get it done. I'ma slay you. That's all you gotta say. That's simple. And it helps you to start building your portfolio, because this gives people the confidence to book you because they see prices that look great. They see work that looks great, because I have made quite a bit of money off all of these hairstyles. So I'm telling you, this stuff sells. So if you don't have a portfolio, this is a beautiful thing to be able to have at your disposal. Pre-made marketing materials that you don't have to think about or pay for. It's already included in your tuition. And then once you have developed enough or built enough of a portfolio, you get your own business cards that represent you. This is the front of the card. It'll have your name and Instagram, and this is the back, and it'll have your work on it versus mine. So after you build a portfolio, anywhere from 7 to 15 clients, enough to fill up a screen on Instagram. Once you have enough clients for that, you will get your own business cards that have your name on them and say, come see me at the DVA Boss Lab Academy. So that's after your first month of working to get your skill set up. In your second month, you're going to be perfecting your skill by working on clients that you bring. So they're your people. Now, hair will be provided for you. Shampoo is provided for you. There's no booth rent. So you get $15 an hour when you work here. And also the tips from the client. So that is how this works. That's the even exchange, because no booth rent is being required and you're still technically in training at that point. And then your next month is where we actually help you build your solid business. You do your vision board, business plan, everything that you need to have a solid business to be able to go out and say, hey, I'm a business owner, to be able to go out and have a suite, to be able to go out and do anything. You have a solid business. And at that point, you can start renting from us at $65 a day, daily booth rent, and then you get the full service charge. So that's how we help you grow. We help you grow from the beginning of learning the skill to actually being able to provide a service and attract clientele organically on your own. So if that's something you want to learn how to do either yourself, or you want to set your child up to be able to learn how to do this so that they can have a successful business before they graduate high school, so they can have a successful business before they turn 18, before they turn 20, then go ahead and hit us up. The information is www.dvabosslabacademy.com. Let's get started at helping you or your loved one start building their generational wealth. Until next time, remember, every day above ground is a good day, so make it count. And if life is but a dream where we wonder what stars are, let's make it a wondrous night where we all shine. Because lone stars are great, but the best settings feature multiple brights. That just means it's better when we all win together. Until next time, keep your head up, stay motivated, stay focused, and we'll see you on the other side. Peace.